Hello dear students, today we are going to see geometric sequence. Last time we have seen arithmetic sequence and this is geometric sequence. For 10th ICSC and this is Mayank sir from the new Tulip International School, Ahmedabad. So in these we'll see the first content in which we are going to see basic understanding of geometric sequence, formula to find the nth term of geometric progression. It is also known as geometric progression, GP. It is also known as geometric sequence. And in part 2, this is part 1 actually, in next part we are going to see the formula to find the sum of first n terms of GP and then some application based problem sums. So what is geometric sequence? The ratio of two consecutive terms is same. Remember, in arithmetic sequence difference was same, while in geometric sequence ratio is same. For example, multiplication in bacteria, one basic example, if we see that binary fish and bacterial cell 1, then 2, then double 4, then double 8, then double 16, then double 32, then double 64. So this is the basic common example of GP. So here previous term is multiplied with same number to get the next term. So that basic ratio is known as common ratio. So how will you find common ratio? For GP 2, 6, 18, 54, that first term is 2 and the common ratio means second term divided by first term. You can also find third term divided by second term. So the common ratio is 6 divided by 2, that is 3. This is common ratio. So you will need to find two things in AP. Very first is first term and the another is common ratio. First term, that is A, and common ratio, that is R. So if you are asked whether the given sequence is GP or not, how will you check? Suppose this question is given 8, 24, 72, 216. So first you find the ratio of two consecutive terms. If the ratios are same, the ratio is same, yes, then the given sequence is AP. Another question 9, 12, 16, 24. Find the ratio second term divided by first term, that is 4 by 3. 16 divided by 12, third term divided by second term, that is again 4 by 3. But fourth term divided by third term, that is not 4 by 3. The ratio is not same. That means given sequence is not a AP, GP, sorry. Geometric progression nahi hai ye. How to find nth term? How will you find nth term? See, the first term is A, second term is A into R, third term is A into R matlab AR square, fourth term is AR cube, so second term is AR raised to 1, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube, so AN is A into R raised to N minus 1. You remember this formula? Note down this formula in your book. So find the ninth term. On the basis of that formula, if you are asked that, you need to find the ninth term of given GP. So how will you do that? First of all, note down A and R. So in the given GP, A is 1 and R is 4 divided by 1, that is 4. So for ninth term, we will put the value of n is equal to 9. So an is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. So A9 is equal to A into R raised to 9 minus 1. So A9 is equal to, in the place of A we will put 1 and in the place of R we will put 4. So A9 is 65536. This way you can find the nth term of GP. Now here is an exercise. You can pause the video over here. You can do these three sums in your book and in next slide we will share the answer. So here are the answers. Find the seventh term. The answer is 27. In second, answer is 96. And for third, the answer is 4 upon 6561. You check how many of yours are correct. Now, which term of GP is minus 5 by 72? See, the GP is given, the nth term is given. This question is very important. Do focus well over here. The nth term is given. So which number of term is there? You will need to find that. First of all, we will note down the A, we will note down the R. R is second term divided by first term, that is minus 1 upon 2 root 3. And an, nth term is already given, minus 5 by 72. So we will put the formula for an, that an is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. Then we will put all the value. In the place of an, we will put minus 5 by 72. In the place of a, we will put minus 10. In the place of r, we will put minus 1 upon 2 root 3. And n, we don't know n, so n minus 1 will be as it is. We will simplify it. So minus minus sign will be cut, and on the left hand side it will be 1 upon 144. And on the right hand side you will get minus 1 upon 2 root 3 raised to n minus 1. So 1 upon 144. So if you factorize 144 and if you simplify in the form of root 3 and 2, then you will find that 144 is equal to 2 raised to 4 into root 3 raised to 4. And you know that minus raised to 4, that is plus 1. So 1 upon 144 we can write in the form of r like that, minus 1 upon 2 root 3 raised to 4. So at both the side, on LHS and RHS, the base should be equal. So we can equate the power. So n minus 1 is equal to 4, so n is equal to 5. So the given term is the fifth term of GP. Now the fifth term of GP is 81 and its second term is 24. Find the GP. आपको GP ढूंढना है. आपको दो वैल्यू दी गई है. Fifth term is 81 and second term is 24. So first आपको दिया है fifth term is 81. Fifth term means a into r raised to 4 is equal to 81. Second term is 24. That means a into r is 24. तो यहाँ पे आपके पास दो इक्वेशंस है. हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों इक्वेशन का रेशियो ले लेंगे दोनों तरफ. तो a इंटू आर रेज टू 4 अपॉन ए इज टू आर, मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अपॉन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू आर एच एस अपॉन आर एच एस, 81 अपॉन 24. तो ये हो गया आर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 27 बाई 8. तो r इज इक्वल टू 3 बाई 2. तो r की वैल्यू आई 3 बाई 2. अभी r की वैल्यू के ऊपर से हमको a की वैल्यू भी ढूंढनी पड़ेगी. यू विल नीड टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a. सो इन एनी इक्वेशन, the above two equations are there. In any equation you can put the value of r to get the value of a. For example, in second equation ar is equal to 24, we will put the r is equal to 3 by 2, so we will get the a is equal to 16. So the GP is 16, 24, 36 and so on. Now here is the exercise 2. You can pause the video over here and you can do these 5 sums very clearly in your book. In next slide we will discuss the answer. So here are the answers. You can check how many of yours are correct and how many of yours are wrong. If any doubts, you can WhatsApp me on this number. Thank you, dear students. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.